Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the mind-blowing journey of quantum computers and how they've transformed from science fiction into reality. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the basics. Quantum computers are not just supercharged versions of the computers we use every day. They're a completely different beast. Instead of bits, which are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This concept is called superposition, and it's what gives quantum computers their incredible power. Now, let's rewind a bit. The idea of quantum computing has been around for decades. It started with physicists like Richard Feynman and David Deutsch in the 1980s. They theorized that if we could harness the weirdness of quantum mechanics, we could solve problems that were impossible for classical computers. The journey wasn't smooth. Early quantum computers were fragile and could only operate in extremely controlled environments. But thanks to tireless research and innovation, we've made huge strides. Companies like IBM, Google, and startups like Rigetti Computing have developed quantum processors that are more stable and can perform increasingly complex calculations. One of the biggest milestones was in 2019, when Google announced quantum supremacy. Their quantum computer, Sycamore, solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. That's a game changer. But what does this mean for us? Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, material science, and drug discovery. Imagine being able to simulate complex molecules to develop new medicines or create unbreakable encryption to secure our data. The possibilities are endless. Now, it's important to note that we're still in the early days. Quantum computers are not yet ready to replace classical computers. They're more like a complementary tool that can tackle specific problems much faster and more efficiently. So, what's next? Researchers are working on scaling up quantum computers, making them more accessible, and solving practical problems. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast because we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in computing. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you're as fascinated by quantum computing as I am, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.